Welcome back, Nuggets. A few months ago, I decided I wanted to learn how to code, and so I started making Junkworld, a 3D action puzzle platformer. Since I started development, Junkworld went through a few major changes, and as of now, I would describe it as a 3D bullet hell platformer. In a way, I am making this game purely for myself. I want to learn how to code and how to make games by myself, but I would be lying if I said that I didn't want as much people as possible to play Junkworld, to enjoy it, to love it as much as I do. And that's why I've made another demo. I made a prototype before that everyone could play, but this demo is a little bit different. Junkworld and this demo are far from finished, but this demo will give a good impression of the main game loop. And I would love for you to play the demo. There's a link in the description below. And if you have any feedback, you can comment on the itch page, or you can join our Discord server and leave your feedback in the ideas and feedback channel. Now, one thing to note is that I am pretty stoked to release this demo before my summer vacation, but that also comes at the caveat that if you have any feedback or comments, I won't respond in a few weeks, because I'd probably be hiking through the Alps or something. So don't worry, you can just play it and leave your feedback. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, one more side note, I didn't really have time to balance the difficulty properly or make a sort of a build-up, so you'll be thrown into the fire right away. Good luck. Since I released the last devlog, a few things have changed. Most notably, I added a whole new level revolving all around turning gears and moving platforms. The big challenge is always moving a player along with moving platforms, and there are many difficult solutions, but if you can, simply parent the player to the object and you're good to go. Since I want to have different sounds and particles for different surfaces anyway, I made a simple raycast which checks on what type of floor Carly is standing, and for now, if it's a moving platform, Carly is simply parented to that object. I already had some changes planned to the damage system, but a comment from Meme Beam pushed me over the edge. I made pretty much all the attacks, effects and traps deal only 1 damage, gave Carly only 5 hit points, and made it so that if you get hit you will be invulnerable for a split second. And I must say, this is working much better than the old 20 hit system. Finally, I added in these giant collectibles and a giant gate in the hub world you must repair to finish the demo. I then did a million more tweaks to the levels, and to top it all off, I did it. I actually did it. I made a boss fight. All in all, a ton of great improvements. And again, if you would like to be part of development and help me create Junkworld and help this channel out, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button and download the demo via the link in the description and leave your comments. Also, not a minor thing, the demo and the itch page are called Wrenched and not Junkworld, because as many of you have pointed out, Junkworld is already not 1 but 2 other games, and so the game needed another name. Well, I'm not 100% sure on Wrenched yet, but it's what I will be calling the game from now on. You know what? If you really like the name Wrenched, leave a comment down below, or leave a comment with what you would call the game. And finally, Nuggets, before I leave on my vacation, I know that you, as much as I, have been dreading the awful gray boxes throughout the entire game, and so this week, I started on some art. And I want to leave you with a sneak peek. It's not finished. By far it's not finished, but I'll leave you with a sneak peek of the sunken city. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back.